Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to change the temperature reading of any air conditioner remote control you have from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And you can see I have different air conditioner remote controls over here. There are even some that are not displayed on this screen currently. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the different air conditioner remote controls because the process is quite different for different air conditioners. So quickly, for the TCL air conditioner remote control with this type of model of remote control, basically to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, currently it is in Celsius. All you just have to do to change it to Fahrenheit is to long press on the turbo button. So just press and hold the turbo button, give it a couple of seconds and it will change to Fahrenheit. Just like so, it has changed to Fahrenheit. And if you also want to change it back to Celsius, all you just have to do is to long press on the turbo button again for about 5 seconds. And it will also change back to Celsius. You can literally see that over there. Now that is that for TCL air conditioner remote control. If you do have a Hisense air conditioner remote control, the process is quite different as well. All you have to do is to long press on the mode button and the temperature down button for about 5 seconds as well. So press and hold the mode and temperature down button. Just give it a couple of seconds and it will change to Fahrenheit, as you can see from over here. And if you also want to change the temperature reading back to Celsius on your Hisense air conditioner remote control, you just have to long press on the mode button and the temperature down button as well. Give it a couple of seconds and it will change back to Celsius, as you can see. Now if you do have an LG air conditioner remote control, the process is quite different as well. All you just have to do is to long press on this swing button over here. Particularly at the bottom, you're going to see the Celsius to Fahrenheit 5 seconds icon. So you might be able to find it on this swing button, but wherever you find it on your LG air conditioner remote control, you want to long press on that particular button. Usually it is on the swing button, so you just want to long press on the swing button for about 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it should automatically change to Fahrenheit, as you can see from over here. So if you want to change it back to Celsius, you want to do the same thing, long press on the swing button and automatically it will change back to Celsius, just like so. If you have the Aurus air conditioner remote control, or literally any air conditioner remote control that looks just like this, to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you just want to long press on the turbo button over here for about 5 seconds as well, and automatically it will change to Fahrenheit, as you can see from over here. All you just have to do is to go ahead and long press on the turbo button as well, and again it is going to set back to Celsius. Now if you do have a Samsung air conditioner remote control, there are some models of Samsung air conditioner remote control that has the set Celsius to Fahrenheit 3 seconds icon at the bottom. Mine currently does not have it, but if yours have it, all you just have to do is to long press on the set button over here for about 5 seconds, and again it is going to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if you want to set it back to Celsius, you just have to long press on the set button and it will change back to Celsius. Moving further, if you have a higher air conditioner remote control, to set it from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you just want to tap on this extra button over here until it gets to Fahrenheit. So tap on it again, tap on it again, and it is going to get to Fahrenheit. Then to set it to Fahrenheit, you just want to tap on the confirm button and it will be set to Fahrenheit. If you also want to set it back to Celsius, you just have to tap on the extra button and it will get back to Celsius. To confirm it, tap on confirm and you're good to go. Also, if you have a Panasonic air conditioner remote control, all you just have to do is to long press on the set downward button, which is basically this button over here, for about 10 seconds and it will set to Fahrenheit. If that method does not work for your Panasonic air conditioner remote control, another method you can try is to long press on the temperature down button. Just press and hold it. You're going to see that it is going to go down to 16, but then just press and hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds and automatically your Panasonic air conditioner remote control should go into Fahrenheit. If you want to set it back to Celsius, try to long press on the temperature down button again for about 5 seconds and it should automatically go back to Celsius. If you also have a Midea or Midea air conditioner remote control, there are different ways to set it from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Most times, all you just have to do is to long press on the temperature down and temperature up button. So once you hold and press both buttons together for about 5 to 10 seconds, it should automatically change to Fahrenheit. But if that does not work, if you do have a Midea air conditioner remote control that looks similar to this one, try the same process as well, the temperature up and temperature down button for about 5 seconds, then see if it will also work out for you. If it does not, then you can long press on the turbo button, and majority of the time that will automatically change the temperature reading from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Now finally, if your air conditioner remote control is not actually being mentioned over here, basically you can try any of the method I have mentioned in this particular video to see if it will also work out on your AC's air conditioner remote control. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.